I'm going to do an unboxing of the Rockville RGHR2 marine gauge media receiver or stereo receiver. I don't know that there's many unboxing videos. If you want more information, you can certainly go to Rockville's website, and this radio got good reviews on Amazon, so I picked it up to put in a side-by-side. So open the box up, have your warranty card, your manual, template for cutting out a hole in the for your receiver, and for the remote, the wired remote. It's a 3.6-inch hole, almost 3 1/4 or 3 3/4. Wiring diagram if you have dual batteries. Take the foam off. You have the receiver and the remote are the first things you see. Wiring in there. Got a USB extension cable. Extension cable for the wired remote. I believe that's 30 feet. I'm not sure, but that's way more than enough cable that I would need for my purposes. So if you had a boat, you might need 30 feet would be good. The mounting brackets for the back of the remote and for the back of the radio. There's the receiver. It's a nice size. I do wish, I don't like the chrome, but that's a personal choice. I wish it was black. Okay. Wiring harness to wire into your vehicle or your boat. You'll need a vehicle specific adapter if you were putting this into a vehicle, but putting it into a boat or side by side, I'm sure that's generic. And that harness is going to be fine. Just wire each of the cables out, and then the wired remote. Go on there, hold it tight to the bezel, and the same with this. Go on, it's got 2 screw holes. Now the manual, everything I've read said this has a front pre-out and a selectable rear pre-out. But what I see on the housing there, I don't know if you can see that, but you can look it up in the manual, shows that there are front pre-outs, rear pre-outs, and then also a subwoofer pre-out. And so everything I've seen says the rear pre-out is switchable between rear and subwoofer. You do have auxiliary input, connection for your antenna, USB input, the wired extension, of course your power and speakers. Yeah, there's rear RCA outs is in brown, front RCA out is in black, and then the subwoofer. So it does appear it has a dedicated subwoofer output if you had a sub installed. Okay, not much to it from an unboxing standpoint, but there you go.